All right. Good morning, cyber traders. Good to see you all. Let me get a little hello. See if you can hear loud and clear. All right. Good to see you, Lawrence. Everybody in social. Thank you very much, everyone. Good to see you, everyone. So, my God, what a day. We just got a nice little pop on this new stock right here. Do you guys see what's going on with this GTBP? Damn, this thing just took off out of nowhere. Buyer just showed up right now at 1450 for 17,000 shares. This thing is just obviously news mostly just came out on it. I don't know if it was earnings, but no, it's 8:30, had the big pop. Boom, look at that. Great little move on the stock right here. Pretty volatile, though. I see a 16,000, 5,000 share sell 16. We'll talk a little about that. But before we get into this one and many more, let's talk about what is moving this, what we traded yesterday, and get prepared for the wonderful week. Now, remember, this week is going into one of they're always the biggest holidays, right? Well, it actually is because it's technically the first day of summer here on Long Island. Everyone goes out to the Hamptons. They rent their summer homes. So it's like the first week, where the cycle of people that do summer homes start. So it's going to probably get a little dicey around on a Friday. Monday markets closed here in the U.S., and then they're probably going to spill into Tuesday. I hate holidays. I hate because it's like I said, it sounds nice, but as a trader, we kind of lose almost 2 days. But we'll try to make the best of it. But anyway, let's get prepared because there is a lot going on. I know NVIDIA's coming out with earnings this week. We're really looking focus on that. That stock has been doing really, really well. It's getting close to that all-time high. Did it break it? I think it did break it almost. It's trying to break it right there at 967. There are going to be stocks that do follow along with it. We'll talk about some other swing trades that we did also on top of it. But let's go over some of the stocks that we did trade yesterday, because yesterday was a very, very unbelievable day because Bitcoin stocks took off. So I know we can't trade Bitcoin, right? We don't trade it, but we could trade the stocks. Coinbase did absolutely great. That stock trades side by side with it. The CLSK did great, 15 up to 19. You could see how that stock on the long-term chart's been doing great. Mara, these are all the mining stocks. That one did great too. Look at that, just breaking a nice higher high in the long-term chart, 15, 20, comes down. I mean, stock's been doing great. Riot was another one. Hunt was another one right there. That one moved. What else we have? Another one that moved. A lot of stocks out there were moving. And then IBT. You had the crypto Bitcoin too. The blockchain one, not the blockchain. BlackRock. IBIT did pretty well. Looks like it's testing the highs right here. So I am still bullish on a lot of the Bitcoin stocks. Okay, so a lot of good news came out on some of it, and they are obviously moving. That's going to be the talk of the day going into the week. I'll be a close eye on it. So we're going to keep all those stocks on the watch list. All right. Now, another stock, and by the way, like we always say, you don't have to be a day trader to be a so-called in and out the same day. These stocks also become swing trades. And then that's how they turn into an option trade. So some people are like, well, do you talk about options and swings? Absolutely, do it all the time. But to turn those and convert those into those, it all starts here. Okay. Now, let's go over a couple of the stocks that did trade other than all the Bitcoin stocks that also did pretty well. We had the stock ASTS that did really well yesterday. Very inexpensive stock. Stock turned into a swing trade, turned to a day trade, ASTS. That one did excellent. Nice little move yesterday. What else we had? NVAX. That one had a good pop. NVAX is doing great. I mean, listen, we saw the news on NVAX, okay, regarding about that new contract they signed regarding COVID. And it hasn't gone down. I mean, the stock, when we saw it in the middle of May, was right around this $4, and it went to $8 and never backed off. Do you guys notice anything a little unusual about that little long-term chart right there? Is that pretty cool? Anyone notice it? Looks like a Fausto flag. That's right. NVAX back on the Fausto watch list, okay, on the Cyber Trading University watch list. We're going to keep that on there. What else we had? MMV. This stock was a great pop, but it did crash. It was a nice little short squeeze. Was an early morning mover. That one did pretty well. What else that we had that did pretty well? Oh, MMV was, I'm sorry, Hims. So Hims did excellent yesterday, which I want to lead into the other stocks. Now, has Hims moving? Look what happened with Eli Lilly. I actually have this as a swing trade. Eli Lilly's get close to that high. I think it's going to be $1,000 stock. Okay. We just got to break through this major highs. I was watching Fox News last night, and they had the doctor that comes on. If it's Fox, if it's CNN, if it's ABC, whatever it is, if it's Good Morning America, they're talking about, the Ozempic. There was this big thing that you can get Ozempic anywhere in Hollywood, anywhere. All right. Everyone's on it. Right. And you know what? This, regardless if, and it's saying it's a great drug because, what's with big thing that's killing diabetes, heart condition, weight does a lot of damage to the human body, and that's caused a lot of big sicknesses. So, you know what? People are like, well, what the long-term effects, this and that? Okay, listen, there's long-term effects no matter what you take. I think, when it comes to diabetes, we spend more money on diabetes than we spend in the military. These stocks are benefiting from it. The more they talk about it, the more it's going to help these stocks move. So when you got stocks like Hims, which is doing great from it, they're doing telehealths, and the companies that are making like Nuvo, Viking was another one that killed it on it too. I've got the symbol on the Viking one, but that one's doing well. There are new weight loss drugs coming in. They're benefiting from it. So keep an eye on them. These stocks are still on there. Lilly and Nuvo, putting it back on the watch list. All right. So that's how these turn into day trades and also turn into swing trades. All right, so now let's go shop around and see what's moving also this morning. I want to hop over there and get back to that the GTBP trade right there. So you see that stock right there. The buyer at 1450 just got filled. Okay, let me just show you right there. The order just got filled right there. By the way, Rich, could you post a link on the one I did yesterday on YouTube? I did a quick video. It's 8 seconds. Okay. Also posted let's post it in the YouTube, on our reach stream on social media. So basically I was explaining what the bulls are. Okay. Because a lot of people are so used to looking at a chart, and they're used to looking at the indicator. They're looking at this and that. And they're like, what's the bulls mean? Everyone keeps saying, what's the bulls mean? So I did a real quick little video on what a bull means on the level 4 that we talk about. All right. So we'll get that link for you when it comes up. All right. So anyway, this stock is going on our watch list. GTBP. That one's looking pretty good right there. All right. Edibles. I don't know. This thing just popped and when we came right back down. We know edibles. We did pretty good. I think it's a big short squeeze. The BDRX is also moving up really, really nice right here. This one is a little bit less volatile as the GTBP. Looks like it's got a nice trend. It's exactly what we're looking for. Nice little resistance levels right here. It's getting to the all-time highs. I see a seller right here between 250 and 260. It looks like he just pulled his order. So BDRX, not bad stock. Could put that on our watch list. I would stay away from EDBL. Okay, I was not a really big fan of that. I forgot to mention yesterday. Also want to keep an eye on MTC. MTC got crushed, destroyed yesterday. Okay, 16 all the way down to this $1.20. So I would definitely want to keep an eye on that one too. Hims, we're going to put Grant. We're going to put Hims back on the watch list. I'm going to put MTC because we'll hopefully could probably get a dead cat bounce on it. So I want to keep an eye on that one too. A little bit more of an iceberg order right around 150. I see. I'll show it to you right here, guys, so you can see it right there. Those are the orders right there. You see the red lines? So again, some orders right there. What else we got here that I was going to bring up? Oh, this one, you can see the big green ball on that one. Look at that. You know what that means, right? I'm going to get that video for you guys. Actually, you know what? Let me grab it for you really quick. Let me just go to my YouTube. YouTube.com. I want you guys to watch this video. Okay. And my channel, my short, the one I just posted. Yeah, here. Okay. There we go. Just guys, when you get a chance here on YouTube, you can watch this short right here. And oh, thank you very much, Rich. Appreciate that. I was waiting for you. I was wondering where'd you go? There's that link for that one. And we'll post in an alert. There we go. Yeah, definitely watch it because I kind of show you a little bit more about the bowls, how they work. I think it's a really, really good. And make sure, by the way, guys, make sure you like it, give us a thumbs up, and share it. Leave a comment. Okay. Definitely leave a comment. I answer everyone back on them. All right. So or just give me just a high five. He says, you know what's a great thanks, Fausto. That helped me out in my next trade. So anyway, getting back to the watch list. So we got that stock. We got MTC. You could see it. It is number 5 on the biggest percentage gainers list. What else did I saw also? I saw CTN. This one also, CTNT got destroyed. This thing yesterday got a huge spike right into the close after hours, and it came crashing down. This is you thought GameStop was bad, okay? This is worse than GameStop. By the way, where is GameStop? You know, now it comes up. Oh, shocker. Okay, going that back down. A nice little pop right there. Remember, we talked about GameStop. We talked about AMC yesterday. We saw what happened with the AMC thing. Just stay away from him. If you watch my videos, I told you stay away from those. They're not even worth it. But I would like to keep an eye on those stocks too. What else have we got going on here? LM, I saw this one too. It had a big pop and it came crashing down. CTNT, I want to put that on the watch list. Whatever, we're number 15 percentage wise. I saw Boyle's taking a big hit too. That one's on the biggest losers list. That one just took, it's been on a really good uptrend. Came down pretty hard. Losers, there's a CTNT from yesterday. MNV, we know why that one's coming down. That was a short squeeze from yesterday. Oh, FFIE. Remember that one? That was a fun little stock that we had, right? Shockingly, it's on the big losers list, right? That was fun. Remember we were trading the stock at 50 cents and went to $4. Just a matter of time we're coming down, So it's always nice. Did it, done it, pass on. New York Stock Exchange. Typically nothing there for us as usual. Everything's always on the NASDAQ where we get most of the action. And losers there, like I said, pretty much done. Nothing really there. All right. So a couple of good stocks, that are moving this morning. It is Tuesday. A couple of quick announcements. Remember, you got class that's going on. You also have Traders Talk today. So if you're watching on social media, we will be back here at 11 o'clock. It's our weekly training session that we do. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. Give us a thumbs up. Ring that bell so you get that alert, okay? And also on Instagram and on TikTok if you're on there too. But we'll get ready for the market opened up. Remember, not all of them are going to be big movers, all right? So only half of them are, and the other half we're going to find when the market opens up. So when we see something, we'll say something. So just make sure you're there at the open. If you're watching on social media one more time, use your phone, scan that little QR code in the top left-hand corner. You can join our professional trading room. We're going to be here all day, all right? Cyber traders, we're going to take a quick little 15-minute break. We'll be back here at 9:30, and we're going to pick up where we left off. All right, guys? One last one. Dino, it said stock. Was it the GTBP? Just told me to shoot out. Oh, my God. Holy crap. Talking about a catastrophe. Damn. I guess that once that big buyer got done, that is awesome. I love seeing it. Hope no got caught. You could have saw it happening once it broke that 1450 and so on. But we'll see where the stock bounces. Definitely pretty cool. Yikes is right, Wendy. All right, let's get ready for the market to open up. We'll be back in 15 minutes. Remember, you're watching social media. We'll be back here at 11, or click that little QR code on the top left-hand corner, and you can join us and be in our trading room all day, all right? See what it's like to be in a room for 30 years. Good luck, everybody. Trade safe.